up here. I don't want to die. Oh, what is that noise? Ah! Ah! Help me. Oh, I can hear my sister crying. What am I gonna do? You unlock my sister this instant. Try and make me. What is that noise? It's coming from the attic, isn't it? Yes, it is. Oh my god. She hurts. She's gonna die. Attic. You. 2 weeks. Same as her. Go. Thank you. Don't thank me at all. Ow, that hurt. This thing is dumb. Oh, you're gonna pay for this. You want 3 months? No. Get up there. See, she put me in the attic too. Thank God. Oh, I'm scared. Hug me. Only if you hug me. Okay. I wonder if they're okay. I hope they are. Yeah, me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5. Me 6. I thought I told you children to get up. Now. Yes, ma'am.